Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from This is Queen Crochet, and today I'll be showing you all how to change your yarn color in the middle of your row. If you're interested in more crochet tips, tricks, tutorials, and techniques, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. It really helps support my channel. You'll get tons of new videos to learn more about crochet. Alright, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm working with yellow. And after this next stitch, I want to change my color to this really pretty tealish blue color. So I'm going to go ahead and work my next stitch. Now, no matter what stitch it is, you want to stop before you pull the last string through your stitch. Let me explain. So for example, if I'm doing single crochet, I'm going to go ahead and put my hook into the next stitch, wrap it around, pull it through. Now I only have to pull through one more time to finish that stitch. So before I pull through, I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to grab my next color. So for the last pull through of whatever stitch you're going to do, like for example, if it's a double crochet, wrap it around your hook, you put it in, wrap it around, pull it through, wrap it around, pull it through too. So before that last pull through, that's when you're going to add in your next color. All right, let's go back to single crochet just for the example. I'm going to put it in, wrap it around, pull it through. So before the last pull through of that stitch, I'm going to grab my next color, the blue. I'm going to put it on my hook and I'm going to pull it through to finish the stitch. Now, as you can see, you have the blue coming through at the top and the last stitch is still fully yellow. And now, as I continue to use the blue, the top of that stitch will be the right color. So now I'm working with blue and it transitions perfectly. Now if you don't do that, for example, and if you just finish off your stitch with yellow and then you put in blue for the next stitch, as I'll show you guys for the example, I start the next stitch with the blue, the top of that stitch will be yellow. That's not what I want. I want the whole stitch to be blue. And that's why before you do the last pull through of your last stitch, you add in the next color that you want it to be. So it makes this next stitch that full color. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I would love to help you. And if you have any more suggestions for tutorials, let me know as well. Have an awesome day, my crochet kings and queens.